Good morning. Welcome to my channel Excel Fundamentals. Today we will see how to create uh, a form that will be useful uh, to collate certain information within the organization or from external parties. But for this we require Outlook account, which you can easily create using your Gmail account or Yahoo account or whatever. Uh, but we need this account to be created in order to use the form. Let's see how we can go ahead and create uh, a office based or M365 based form. So what you need to do, you have to go to the home page of M365, and they've got number of applications within their home page, and from there you can create whatever you want. You can create a page, you can create a presentation, workbook, form, anything of, or quiz, or a list. Yeah, anything you can create. But today we will see one of the important things within M365, which is generally used to collect information regarding uh, any sort of feedback sessions or such things. So just click on create, or you can, in the home page you can see the form is there, you can create that way also. Just click on form, a blank form will open from there. So this is the empty form. I'm just maximizing to ensure it's visible to you. Just give some name, feedback form. Yeah, so I've created the feedback form. You can give a description of that also, using like, this is used to collect from customers. Yes, or you can say mm, subscribers in a channel. Yeah, so for any kind of form, like I'm just taking one example. Say first one should be uh, the name. Yeah, just enter one text form here. You can see there are number of things, like you can give choice, you can enter blank text form, question or rating or date of birth example. Yeah, so likewise you have number of things, you can explore those. But let's see this one as full name. Yeah, this is it. If you want to make it mandatory, you can click on required. Yeah, if you're looking for a long answer, that also you can do, but let the name should be in a short format. And you have got other things also. You can enter, say, uh, branching under it. Branching means if you want to separate the name by first name and surname, that also you can do. Let's add another one, say choice. Yeah, maybe another basic thing is gender. Yeah, male, female, and third one should be prefer not to say. Yeah, and let's add another one, say rating. So that is rate my channel. Yeah, I'm giving stars here, 5 stars. You can give more than that also. You've got different options, up to 10 you can give. Yeah, so 5, let's keep it 5 because in Google ratings also it's 5 stars maximum. So I'm done with this now. Let's do one thing, close this, and I'm done with this. This is M365 is something, this is a auto save. Yeah, this will automatically save. You know not to save it every time if you make changes. So if you want to see a preview, that is how the end user will be seeing your form, so click on preview. This is how it will be looking like to the end user whoever will use. So once they submit all the details, you can click on submit. So let's give a try. Yeah, before that, I'll show you some templates, yeah, or styles that are available within M365, which are really useful. Just click on one of those. That will give you, like, see, a template is already available for this, and you can easily use it. Yeah, just a single click. The styles, different styles. Yeah, so let's try with something good. Yeah, there are thousands. Yeah, you can use any of them. Yeah, this looks good. So let's see the preview of this. So this is how it will start. The first page will be like this, feedback form. Yeah, the description of that, and start now means you'll be able to enter. Yeah, you're giving my channel as say 5. Submit. Yes, done. Now let's see how the response comes. So the person who has created this form will be able to see the responses here with a number of views. So what he'll be able to see, you'll be able to see responses like this. So yeah, so rating and a graph for that, and gender, yeah, whatever. So you'll be able to see like this. So thank you guys. Uh, this is a simple one, and you can just copy this one and the link and share with anyone you want. Yeah, so any questions on this, please do not hesitate to send a mail to my mail ID, excelfundamentals at gmail.com or spreadsheetbymadhu at gmail.com. My channel name is Excel Fundamentals, or my shorts platform is at Excel Fun with Madhu. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.